Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic today. It's always a pleasure to have you back here with us. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. We're thrilled to have you join our community. Today, I'm going to share a life-changing lesson that took me 4 decades to figure out. Yes, you heard that right. 40 years of experiences, trials, and errors. But guess what? You can master it in just 5 minutes. Imagine compressing all that wisdom into a bite-sized lesson. Sounds too good to be true? I know, I was skeptical at first too. But trust me, it's possible. Stick around, because this is going to be one roller coaster of a story. We'll dive deep into the highs and lows, the twists and turns, and by the end, you'll have a new perspective on life. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. Whether you're looking to make a big change or just curious about what this lesson could be, you're in the right place. Grab a notebook because you might want to jot down some key points. This is going to be insightful, practical, and most importantly, transformative. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets that can change your life forever. Stay tuned. It all began 40 years ago. I was just a kid, full of dreams and ambitions. But like many of us, I stumbled. I made mistakes, faced failures, and felt lost. I chased after success in every possible way, through school, jobs, relationships, but I kept hitting dead ends. There were moments of doubt, times when I wanted to give up. I remember one particularly tough day. I was sitting on my couch, staring at my reflection in the window, thinking, what am I doing wrong? Life is a challenge. I tried everything, reading self-help books, attending seminars, even consulting life coaches. I kept asking myself, what am I doing wrong? But the breakthrough never came until one fateful day. During a casual stroll, I stumbled upon a mentor, a wise old man sitting on a bench. He was watching the world go by, and something about his calm demeanor drew me in. I sat down and struck up a conversation. What he shared with me changed everything. He didn't give me a step-by-step plan or a secret formula. No, he simply said, life is about learning to let go. At first, I was confused. Let go of what? But as I reflected, I realized I had been holding on to fear, regret, and unrealistic expectations. It was time to release those burdens and embrace the present. Now, here's the exciting part. Imagine being able to make a significant change in your life in just a few minutes. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's entirely possible. We often think that transformation requires a lot of time, effort, and sometimes even a bit of struggle. But what if I told you that you could start this journey in just 5 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. 5 minutes is all it takes to set the wheels in motion for a better, more fulfilling life. You don't have to wait 40 years to learn this. The beauty of this process is that it's quick, effective, and can be done by anyone, regardless of age or background. Whether you're a young student or someone with decades of experience, this method works universally. It's about taking small, actionable steps that lead to big changes over time. And the best part? You can start right now. In just 5 minutes, you can start transforming your life. Think about it. 5 minutes is less time than it takes to drink a cup of coffee or scroll through your social media feed. Yet, these 5 minutes can be the most impactful part of your day. It's about focusing your energy and intention on what truly matters. So are you ready to take the first step towards a new you? Ready? Let's do this together. Transformation is always easier when you have support, and that's what we're here for. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and motivated. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are countless others who have taken this path and seen incredible results. So let's get started and make these 5 minutes count. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. This might seem simple, but writing things down can have a powerful impact. It helps to clarify your thoughts and make your goals more tangible. When you put pen to paper, you're making a commitment to yourself. So, find a quiet spot, take a deep breath, and let's begin this exercise. I'll guide you through a quick exercise. This exercise is designed to help you identify and release the fears that are holding you back. It's a simple yet profound process that can bring about immediate clarity and relief. Follow along, and you'll see just how transformative these few minutes can be. Write down 3 fears holding you back. These could be anything from fear of failure, fear of rejection, or even fear of success. Be honest with yourself and don't hold back. The more truthful you are, the more effective this exercise will be. Remember, this is a safe space for you to explore your innermost thoughts and feelings. Now, for each fear, write down 1 reason it's okay to let it go. This step is crucial because it helps you reframe your mindset. By acknowledging that it's okay to release these fears, you're giving yourself permission to move forward. Think about the positive outcomes that can come from letting go of these fears. How will your life improve? What new opportunities will open up for you? Finally, tear up the paper and visualize those fears drifting away. This symbolic act of tearing up the paper represents your decision to let go of these fears. As you do this, imagine them floating away, leaving you feeling lighter and more empowered. This is your moment of transformation. Embrace it and feel the freedom that comes with releasing what no longer serves you. Congratulations, you've just taken the first step towards a new, fearless you. That's it. In just 5 minutes, you've taken the first step towards a lighter, more fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey and the lessons along the way. I hope this story inspired you. Stories have a unique way of touching our hearts and minds, often leaving us with a sense of wonder and motivation. They remind us of the endless possibilities that life holds and the incredible potential within each of us. Whether it's a tale of triumph, a journey of self-discovery, or a simple moment of kindness, stories can ignite a spark within us that propels us forward. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Sharing is a powerful way to spread positivity and encouragement. You never know how a simple act of sharing can impact someone's day or even change their life. By sharing this video, you are not only supporting our channel, but also helping to create a ripple effect of inspiration and hope. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. Subscribing ensures that you won't miss out on any of our future content, which is designed to uplift, educate, and inspire. We are committed to bringing you stories and insights that can help you navigate life's challenges and celebrate its joys. Your subscription is a way for us to stay connected and continue this journey together. Until next time, keep embracing life, letting go, and living your best story. Bye for now. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to write a new chapter in your life. Embrace the highs and the lows, the victories and the lessons. Life is a beautiful journey, and you have the power to make it extraordinary. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more amazing stories with you. Take care, and see you soon.